Did you know that the longest hiccups lasted nearly 69 years? When Charles Osborne started hiccuping in 1922, he didn't stop until 1990. Osborne hiccuped non-stop for 68 years. Hiccups apparently started when he was attempting to weigh a hog before slaughter and the animal accidentally fell on top of him. Initially, he hiccuped 40 times a minute. However, in his later years, it slowed to 20 hiccups per minute. After his long hiccuping episode, he managed to live a hiccup-less life for only a year until his death in 1991.